India and ASEAN can be great partners for each other. This assertion by PM Narendra Modi at the 12th India-ASEAN Summit at Myanmar's capital, Naypyidaw, summed up the enormous potential in India-ASEAN ties, which India is keen to tap. Underlining the government's focus on building stronger ties with Southeast Asian and other East Asian countries, he said the government's enhanced engagement with the East reflects the priority it attaches to this region. Asserting that India and ASEAN have no irritants in their ties, Prime Minister Narendra Modi invited the 10-nation bloc to be part of India's economic journey. Asserting that a new era of economic development, industrialization and trade has begun in New Delhi, Prime Minister Narendra Modi said externally India's Look East policy has become Act East policy.
यहाँ उपस्थित सभी देशों से हमारे बायलैटरल संबंध बहुत ही गहरे है ही, लेकिन आसियान के संबंध में भी हमारा उतना ही गंभीर रवैया है। उस आसियान इस कंसेप्ट को भी हम बहुत ही गंभीरता से लेते हैं।
Recognizing the importance of ASEAN, PM said that the 10-nation bloc has established its own identity and voice in global political and economic affairs. Striking a confident note on the future of the India-ASEAN relationship, the PM said that the world and the region today need a strong India-ASEAN partnership, even as he underscored that the two sides are keen on advancing balance, peace and stability in the region. Stressing that a strong foundation has been laid for a comprehensive strategic partnership, he said that India strongly believes that India and ASEAN are entering a new era in their partnership. On Indo-Myanmar ties, the PM emphasized that the two countries have shared very close relations historically.
म्यांमार भारत का एक महान पड़ोसी है, जिसके साथ हमारे संबंध सांस्कृतिक हैं, ऐतिहासिक हैं और एक प्रकार से इस भूभाग के प्रवेश द्वार के रूप में म्यांमार हमारे लिए अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण है।
Prime Minister Modi stressed that the potential for India-ASEAN relations was immense, outlining India's intent to take the India-ASEAN relationship to new heights. In Naypyidaw, Anuj Yadav and Ravi Dhimant's report for DD News.